Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast list. Why would you want to know how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast list? Well, maybe it is your first time using WhatsApp and not sure how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast list. So today I am going to show you how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast list. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Setting up a WhatsApp broadcast list is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open WhatsApp. Now you are seeing text box in bottom right corner. Click on it. From here, you will not see broadcast option. Long press on a chat. Now you are seeing new broadcast. At the top, click on it. From here, you can select multiple contacts. Click mark in bottom right corner. Your broadcast has been created. Now you can simply send a message with multiple contacts. There you go. If you wanted to know how to set up a WhatsApp broadcast list, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.